Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make fried fish the Haitian way. First you're going to season the fish, whatever seasoning you want to add. What I did, this was marinated in some grandma's sauce overnight. And I didn't put any salt. I only added salt to it when I'm about to fry the fish. And you want to poke holes on the fish, that way all the seasoning can get in there. Okay guys, make sure like when you frying the fish you use olive oil, and also you don't want the breading on the fish to be too thick, otherwise it's gonna burn. And you want to prepare the flour by putting in some baking powder, and also on the oil that you're frying the fish you want to add some vegetable shortening. It will make the skin very crispy and delicious. So those are two secrets that I'm giving you guys. Adding vegetable shortening and adding baking powder to make the fish super delicious and crispy. Now guys, this is the final stage of the video. I have breadfruit. It's nice and crispy with some fried fish and some tomatoes. This is hot pepper. It's awesome, delicious. The fish is awesome, so good. And the breadfruit, so good. You can still, enjoy what you're eating, but the healthy way. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. This fish looks so delicious. It's awesome. It's well cooked.